are from JG University pursuing BCA second year. I love to introduce my team members. First, Venkatesh Gupta, our team leader, who isn't present over here due to some reason. Second, Riya Tripathi, that's me. Third, Divyaman Singhani. Stage now.
Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to everyone in Hackathon 25. Today I'll be presenting you my code, my really very hard work, which is student management system. I know there are many codes regarding student management system, but today I'll introduce you what is student management system. A system that's used for all the school, all the colleges, which will help you in maintaining database of a used student record is easier to manage in price. Nah, it's too boring, it can be misplaced, it can be etc and etc. But in technical field we have database. So I have a system which can manage your database, not just your database, but also it can manage a lot of things. Inside this code, we can do a lot of things, right? It can manage teachers' work, students' work, as well as admin's work. What will an admin do? An admin will add in teacher and student, right? So my thing, system architecture. We can see over here I have given all that what I have used, what's the code behind. Front end, I have used UI frames. We all know what is UI frames. Do we? Yes, graphical user interface. The second point what I have used as in my backend technology is Python. A very easy language to use. And the third thing, the database which I am taking forward is SQLite, a easy database to manage and use. My team features of my system, managing students' database. What will a student do? He can or she can use his data like she or he can check their IDs, they can enter and log in their user page, they can check their personal details, update it, they can take their live vivas. Vivas are available through AI. We have made this possible. Vivas in your app, which is accurate. As per that, your result and reports and internal marks are displayed as well. That's linked to teachers' data. Teachers' data, our agenda. Teachers' data is also automated and managed with attendance and everything. Agenda, efficient student data management. I have explained my agenda already in my first line, but my agenda I'll explain again. Student data management, teachers data management, to-do list, etc and etc. All is present in my code. Benefits of this: time saving, of course. Registers take a lot of a huge time, but this will save your time as well as it will help you managing organizing the data very easily, and it will help you enhance decision making, right? कब रखना है हमें एग्जाम डेट इजीली डिसीजन मेकिंग में बहुत हेल्प आएगा. SMS student management system is an essential tool. It's very costly in outside market, but what I have developed is I'll be using cloud and I'll be uploading it. It will be very much cheaper than the companies who present it outside. That's my code, student management system, for available for teachers and students and school on a really very cheap and very managing easy method. I love to thank Venkatesh Gupta who has given me this idea, not only just this idea, but he has given all his inputs in this project. He and me and Riya Tripathi has given our all inputs in this project. We would love to thank all of our team members and Roy for this opportunity. Thank you.
Subscribe Dheeraj Pujara YouTube channel for more updates, or you can call on 9825782290 to clear your doubts.